Let's ice dye today. I love it. I love this blazer. It's one of my favorite things. And I ice dyed it. To do this, you want 100% cotton something. I had ordered the super cute vest, but it's too big, so I'm gonna do this blouse instead. You will need some dye, a powdered dye. You need ice, a container to catch the ice drippings in, and something for your apparel to go on top of that allows the water to go through. If you're somebody who actually prepares things more appropriately, you would at least wash your fabric to kind of pre-treat it. Even better yet, you would use soda ash to prep it. I have owned this for a million years and I have literally never used it. Once again, I'm not gonna use it to help it be more color fast, in theory. This I never did that with, and I still love it. Ideally, you'll have a nice day outside, so you can do this outside. Now, there are so many different ways that you can do this. I like to kind of crush my ice a little bit and intersperse that with some of the bigger pieces. Then I'm gonna prepare my piece. My fabric is damp, but not perfectly damp, and that's what got me some of these splotchies that I like. So it just depends. If you want a more clean watercolor look, make sure it's fully damp, but I like more experimenting, and I'm just gonna do a scrunch technique. You can do rubber bands, other things as well, and that just means I'm trying to get this evened out to be like one layer and scrunched up a little. And trying to make sure it's contained over what's catching it. I could obviously use a much bigger thing, and that would probably be smart too. And then I'm gonna start putting some ice over it. First, some big pieces. Ideally, the whole thing will be covered in ice overall, otherwise my color will be going directly onto fabric, and I'd prefer to have it melt with the ice as it touches most of the fabric. After I have a fair amount covered with my normal pieces, I'm gonna put some of my crushed pieces to kind of fill in areas. This is turning out really good. And then you just start to shake the powder on it. I like cool colors. I'm gonna kind of do something that goes with this a little bit. Ooh! It's also really windy, which was not thought about. I like to do spots that have a lot of color, some spots that don't have a lot of color. I'm just gonna pour my purple. And it's all up to kind of what you want it to potentially look like. You just don't know what's gonna happen, which is what's so fun. Last color is a bright pink. Then we let it completely melt. So to expedite this for today, I'm gonna put it in the sunshine. And then I'll be back and we'll get some updates, and we'll also wash our hands. This is about 2.5 hours, almost done. My ice is melted and you'll see how dark this looks of various sorts. Now I'm going to rinse this under cold water in my house until it runs clear. I don't worry about getting it completely out of dye, but I get really close to it. So you can see it's already taken color movement onto the white, which is what I want. Now we're gonna put it in our normal wash on a cold cycle without any soap. Eh? It works! Look at that! I really love the sleeve that happened. You can see all the fun, and you should make it too.